What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're over here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your convertible top a little bit more quiet than it is. So when you're driving, every time in my videos you can hear that the top is like rattling and shit. It's just annoying. It's like every 5 seconds it'll be churning, drifting, or hit a bump. So this is like kind of like spacers, but they're soft, cushion. It's basically what you use for like furniture and stuff. So I'm going to use that on the top of here to silence the noise, because I'm getting tired of hearing that on my video. So we're gonna see if that works or not. So yeah, let's do that real quick. So basically you're gonna grab it like that, peel it off, put one over here in the corner. We're gonna put in every like inch. We're gonna put one. You like that, huh? She's zooming into your face.
It's perfect footage.
Don't worry, you're gonna be on camera again. You like it.
I'm so shy.
You like famous.
Yeah, look, he's single, ladies,
Hell,
gentlemen.
Fortune said I'm gonna go viral, so this is it. Viral.
Yeah, there you go. He's single. We have his phone number. If anybody's interested, don't worry.
Yeah, comment down below.
Any type.
Comment down below.
Anytime.
Yes. Demon and everything.
Yeah, I'm making a video here. What are you doing?
Here's the profile in the middle of your video.
Yeah, let me get the camera back, because she's not recording what's supposed to. See how I put like 4 on both sides? I'm trying to talk, come on, look. So 4 on each side. That's basically gonna silence the roof from vibrating like that when you're driving. So right now we're gonna close it real quick. Let me do that. Here, record again.
No Ruben? No more Ruben?
Ruben, I'm gonna need your help on this one, get it? Ready? Pull down. Oh, you gotta pull on the hole. Pull on the hole first. Start from here. No, don't touch that. Don't touch that hook. Get on the hole. You like it? Alright, now pull all the way down, and then you're gonna push that in. Got it? There. Oh, why is it still a little bit? Take it out again?
Yeah, it should be that. Isn't that screw over there loose? Or that's how it is?
Alright, now, pull it down. Good? Yeah, good. There we go. There we go. Now I got it. See? Easy fix. Now it shouldn't vibrate or anything while I'm driving. That shit gets annoying as hell. So that's an easy way to fix basically a convertible top from making noise. Easy. You can buy that shit in Walmart, Target, wherever they sell that. I think Walmart bought that. And very cheap. I think it cost me $1 or some shit like that. Easy fix. Whenever this shit helped you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more, alright? Peace.